Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting hardware. Plug the PS4 controller into USB or enable Bluetooth on your PC. Once connected, make sure Windows updates are installed and any old controller drivers are uninstalled so they do not conflict. Open Steam Big Picture mode now because it simplifies mapping. Steam recognizes DualShock natively. If using Bluetooth, hold Share plus PS button until the light blinks. If wired, Windows will show a device install notification. These initial steps clear common interference and prepare the system for Once the controller is detected, enable PlayStation configuration support inside Steam's controller settings. This often fixes axis and rumble issues automatically. If you need the controller outside Steam, install DS4 Windows, choose the VI GM bus driver during setup, and select the proper output mode, X input for broad compatibility. After configuring, run a gamepad tester to verify stick axes, triggers, and buttons. If an axis is inverted or triggers register together, remap or adjust dead zones in DS4 Windows. This ensures consistent behavior across titles. Finish by calibrating sticks and setting dead zones in DS4 Windows or Steam, then save a profile per game so controls stay reliable. If pairing fails or the controller won't connect, press the tiny reset button on the back for 5 seconds, then repair via Bluetooth or reconnect the USB cable. Make sure Windows removes the old device entry first. If analog stick drift or persistent failures remain after calibration, try cleaning the potentiometer area carefully or seek repair. Hardware issues often require replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.